National Cybercrime Investigation Agency, which was formally established last year, was a body that replaced Federal Investigation Agency's Cybercrime Wing. The main purpose of the newly formed National Cybercrime Investigation Agency was to investigate, enforce, and ultimately ensure the protection from the crimes that were done online and particularly in the cyber technology. And in this particular regard, this newly formed agency since last year had figured out a lot of cases where they had initiated successful crackdowns against those social media activists which were inciting the public reactions and which were actually propagating the anti-state narratives and propagandas. And in this particular regard, two more notable crackdowns that were just initiated by NCCIA in this recent month was the first when in the start of May 2026, 13 social media activists who were inciting the public reactions, who were propagating the anti-state narratives and propagandas, were actually arrested and detained in the province of Punjab. Yes, these people who were 13 in number, rather these social media activists who were propagating this anti-state narrative were 13 in number and were successfully detained and ultimately controlled by NCCIA. Once again, NCCIA has proved its futility by initiating another successful crackdown against those 11 social media activists who were busy and engaged in propagating false narratives regarding the armed forces and the governmental and provincial institutions. And in this particular regard, the provincial body of NCCIA in Punjab had come into action and detained these 11 social media activists, which mainly included 2 from Lahore, 3 from Faisalabad, 4 from Multan, and 1 from Gujranwala. And in this particular regard, the director and the spokesperson of NCCIA of the province Punjab had explicitly stated that not an ounce of leniency would be shown to these detained individuals as they were engaged in propagating false narratives regarding the armed forces of Pakistan, as they were trying and attempting to incite the public reaction and to display and propagate the provocative content among the public. And in this particular regard, they could be perceived as a threat to the stability of the province and ultimately of the country. Keeping in consideration the fact that Pakistan Armed Forces had clinched a befitting victory over the Indian Armed Forces in year 2025. Keeping in view the critical position of Pakistan and the commendable diplomatic efforts of the Pakistani leadership, particularly that of Chief of Defense Forces in the peace talks between United States of America and Iran. Cases like these, where few social media activists are engaged in propagating false narratives against the armed forces, against those governmental functionaries and institutions, could be perceived merely as sponsored propagandas. And in this particular context, NCCIA has explicitly stated that their crackdown will continue over such propagandists and social media activists who are proved out to be the menaces in the society and are engaged in spreading the false narratives, particularly against the armed forces of Pakistan and then the state institutions and government functionaries. Thank you.